Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Trello for workflow. If you are looking for a simple way to organize your tasks, manage projects, or work with a team, Trello is one of the best tools you can use. In this video, I will give you a full beginner walkthrough of how to use Trello. First, let's start with what Trello actually is. Trello is a project management tool that helps you organize tasks using boards, lists, and cards. It is very visual and easy to use, which makes it perfect for beginners. To get started, go to the Trello website and create an account. Once you logged in, the first thing you will do is create a board. A board represents a project. For example, you might create a board called YouTube Content Plan or Work Tasks. Inside each board, you will create lists. Lists are usually used to represent stages of work. A common setup is to do, doing, and done. This helps you track the progress of your tasks. Next, inside each list, you can create cards. Cards represent individual tasks. For example, if your board is for YouTube, one card could be write script, another could be record video, and another could be edit video. When you click on a card, you can add more details like descriptions, due dates, attachments, and checklists. This makes it easy to keep everything related to a task in one place. Another useful feature is drag and drop. You can simply drag a card from one list to another when the task progresses. For example, when you finish recording a video, you can move the card from doing to done. Trello also allows you to invite team members to your board. This is helpful when working on projects with other people because everyone can see the progress and update tasks in real time. Finally, Trello offers Power Apps, which are extra features like calendar view, automation, and integrations with other apps. These tools help make your workflow even more efficient, and that is it, the basic walkthrough of how to use Trello. Once you start using boards, lists, and cards, you will see how easy it is to stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.